Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Exodus wallet. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First guys, open Exodus and click receive option. From here search your any coins to want to receive, for example Bitcoin, and scan your Bitcoin address. After that, go to your Robinhood and click this icon, and from here click the crypto guys you want to send from Robinhood. After that guys, click this option send, and after that guys, what you have to do, copy the address onto your manual address, and after that enter your amount you want to transfer, and enter your address from Exodus guys, this address guys, as you can see here, and then confirm your transaction. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.